Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy OpenClaw on Akamai server. First you need to go to DeployClaw.com and select Akamai and click on Next. And you need to select a connection. Since it is the new account, all you have to do is either you follow this setup guide and go to akamai.com and get the API key and fill in there, or you can just go to OAuth and click on the connect button. It will redirect you to the Akamai. All you have to do is click on accept and continue. It will take some time and redirect you back to this screen. All you have to do is select on Akamai again and click on next and select the connection that you have connected. Now select the region, any region. Now it will take some time to load you all the plans that are required or are available for you to select. You can select the one that you want and select the operating system as Ubuntu 24 and click on next. So now I would recommend anything Anthropic or OpenAI. We would usually use the OpenRouter. OpenRouter will take care of all the connections between OpenAI or anything else. You can see all the available AI models here. You can select the one that you wanted. In this, I'm selecting the GPT 5.3 chat. Next, you need to configure the channels, where you need to bring in your Telegram and go to botfather. In the search bar, you go to @botfather and go there. And if you already have the bot created, you can get the token and paste it right here. Otherwise, you can type in /new bot and hit enter. That will give you instructions to create a new bot. Since I have already created the bot, so I'm going to get the copy of the token and paste it here. And click on verify bot token. Once it is valid, click on next and review all the information that you have given. Akamai configuration and an OpenClaw configuration. Once you read the OpenClaw security documentation and click on deploy server. That's it. Just like around